is the phonics song. Got us reading all day long. This is the phonics song. Phonics song. What sound does that letter make? Tell me. What sound does that letter make? Break it down, sound it out. Yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. A says apple. B says ball. C says cat. D says dog. E says elephant. F says fish. G says girl. H says hat. I says igloo. J says jet. What sound does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make? A says kite. L says lion. M says monkey. N says nose. O says owl. P says pig. Q says quack. Queen. R says rose. S says sun. T says toy. U says umbrella. V says volcano. W says whale. X says xylophone. Y says yellow. Z says zebra. What sound